Namaste, welcome to Triyogam. Today we're going to learn about Janu Sirsasana, head to knee pose in detail with the following key points. Meaning of the asana, steps with breathing, adjustment, benefits, contraindications, and variations. Are you ready? Grab the mat and let's get started.
Meaning of the asana. Janu Sirsasana. In Sanskrit, Janu means knee, Sirsa means head, Asana means pose. In English, it's called head to knee pose. Steps with breathing. Sit in Dandasana with the legs extended straight in front. Place the palms on the floor by the sides of your hips. Bend the left knee and keep the left feet close to the right inner thighs. With inhalation, raise your both hands over the head, biceps in line with the ears. By lengthening the spine, tuck the belly in. With exhalation, bend forward and catch hold the sides of your soles. With inhalation, lengthen your spine. While exhaling, move the trunk forward by bending and widening the elbows. Rest the forehead on the knees. Maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute. With inhalation, gaze at the front, straighten the arms, extend the spine, slowly raise your hands over the head and slowly bring it down. Straighten the left leg and relax in Shitila Dandasana. Adjustments of Janu Sirsasana. Adjustment number 1. Keep your left heel close to the perineum and your left feet close to your right inner thighs. Adjustment number 2. Lengthen your spine while bending forward, bend from your waistline. Adjustment number 3. When you are going to the final stage, try to lengthen your spine and make your dorsal spine concave. Adjustment number 4. When you are in the final stage, in the final position, widen your elbows, make your right knee straight, touch your forehead to your knees. Variations of Janu Sirsasana. Variation number 1. When you are coming towards the final position, bring your both hands down and catch hold your toes. And slowly bring your head down and touch your forehead to your knees. Maintain in the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute or as long as possible from your side without any strain. Variation number 2. Inhale and raise your both hands up. While exhaling and coming towards the final position, try to interlace the fingers behind the feet. Bring your head down and touch your forehead to your knees. Maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute or as long as comfortable from your side without any strain. Benefits of Janu Sirsasana. Number 1. Improves functions of kidney and liver. Number 2. Increases flexibility in spine and back muscles. Number 3. Tones liver and spleen and thereby aids in digestion. Number 4. Improves functions of reproductive system. Contraindications of Janu Sirsasana. This asana is strictly prohibited for people with back or knee injuries, high blood pressure, asthma and diarrhea.
If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Want to say something? Comment below and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.